Your breathing is largely controlled by a small area within the brainstem called the pre-Botzinger complex. And what's interesting is that the pre-Botzinger complex contains about 1,000 neurons that all work together to send a rhythmic signal down to the diaphragm to tell you when to take a breath. And so we call it the rhythmogenic core of respiratory rhythm generation. So in other words, it tells you how fast to breathe and it tells you when to take a breath. Now what's interesting is that this signal coming from the pre-Botzinger complex is so robust that you can actually take a brainstem out of a body, you can keep it alive in a dish, and you can record from this area of the brain, and it'll continue to send oscillatory signals as if the body was still there, telling it to take a breath. And here's an example of a recording that I did using that exact same experiment. And every time that you hear a little pop, 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 that's individual neurons spiking their activity. Every time you hear a zing, that's the brain telling the body to take a breath.